So this is, I think this is the best for harvesting. Oh my god, this year it's really good. Wow, look at that. I'm so happy. It's pretty big. So oh my god, last time it was so little and I was so upset. So, oh my god, see, it's all totally dry because we have a big hail damage hit. So I wait for a while, but it's actually destroy my lot of my crop, my tomatoes, my apples, they're all destroyed. So I don't know how much I can get from this. First I was thinking, and as you see, it's just a bag. I got this bag from Dollarama. I think it was $5, and I think this is a good thing. You don't need to put see, it's pretty good size. So let's see how much I harvest.